10 years ago, when cloud infrastructure was really getting started, no one knew where it would go. It was really a kind of a big open free-for-all.
When we think about building a new cloud, there's some things that fundamentally we think that enterprises need that they don't have today. What we're talking about is best-of-class performance and fundamentally different ways in which we're building virtualization and building a software-defined data center. When you've run big clouds before, you quickly realize that the network is the platform.
Typically, people are used to plugging things into a single rack. What we've done with the physical network is take that rack-level performance and we've blown it out to where the entire availability domain gets that same level of performance.
So it's always possible to satisfy a request from bandwidth going from point A to point B on this core fabric. When you are interacting with your storage system, let's say from a compute node, the performance is going to have the same characteristic. So very, very low latency, phenomenal bandwidth. Then the second element of that, so we got a great physical network, was that we decided to do off-box virtualization.
If you think about the way that every other cloud provider operates, they have to perform incredibly complex logic around management, around billing, around provisioning, around networking, around compute, around storage, all on the same host where your application runs.
What's very, very interesting and different about what we're doing with Bare Metal Cloud Services is that we give you the physical machine and we don't have any software running on it.
So I think that was truly one of the core choices that give us, I think, a very differentiated and very effective foundation on which to build. Another important area of investment for us is the way that we manage governance. So instead of having to have multiple accounts that are very, very difficult to control, you can have a singular relationship with Oracle from a billing standpoint, from a pricing plan standpoint, etc., and yet let you internally regulate how your own user, your own project use a cloud resource, and they benefit from the full cloud experience in terms of very low friction provisioning within the limits that you've set.
It really is first in the industry, having all the benefits of the cloud, but all the benefits of bare metal.
So we see large mission critical applications coming over and getting drastically better performance and drastically better assurances about security than they're getting anywhere else. You cannot beat that.